Yeah, I think that's a real concern. Basically, they're taking their own direction on distributing the dollars however they want to do so. You know, certainly the Ready to Learn Block Grant was meant to be distributed through the existing funding formula for the Ready to Learn Block Grant. And our preference would be any additional dollars for the basic education line item would go through the new basic education funding formula. You know, there's a reason that group spent a year and a half working on a new funding formula. It should be used.